What's up, son?
Ow.
I knew I forgot something. Yeah. Actually, no, it's in the truck. It's in the back seat. You're over the next line, son. Go left. There you go. Over under. Put it in high gear, boy.
I did.
It's in low. That's low gear. That's low gear. Push it. There you go. That's high gear. Eat that little shark. Little shark. Go, reel it all the way up. Throw in low gear now. Now throw it in low gear. Look. 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 With the other handle, you're putting pressure on it. Keep going. Bring him over. All right. Yeah. Yeah, you got one. Whoop, whoop. And you said you wanted shark. Mm-hmm.
Seems like it was yesterday you were changing his pampers.
Yep.
Can you take off the paper?
No, you take it off. Grab him right behind the head, son. That way you can control him. Watch the gear. Yeah, like just like that. Yeah, there you go. Put on some. Clutch.
Almost better. Yeah.
What he's done is cut a little hole right where the barb or the hook penetrated through to allow the hook to be a little bit more easily removed. There we go. Now, little healthy release. Costa Rican shuffle on the. Oh yeah, dude, you still got like 100 yards of line on there.
100 yards, but
Oh, you're good. Let him run. And that's an 150 pound class Tackle Industries rod right there. And that does not bend lightly.
No, that is not.
Yeah.
I've gotten a 45-inch thread on that and it was barely bending.
It barely bent the rod, yeah.
whoa!
Yeah.
Man's not over.
Yeah, give the clicker. Let's see the line going out. Oh.
I'm gonna give him a full strike.
No, he's not. He's still good. We got 60 pound Jerry Brown on there, so he's still got like 80 to 100 yards at that point right there. Yeah. Turned him. There you go.
I'm here.
Excuse me, darling. Can't go that far. The light. I guess that angle's better. See that? Maybe loose, girl.
some.
Well, thank you, Mr. Masturbator. Master Bait Catcher.
Where am I?
Go left. Go left. Go left. You're over way all of them. Let him run. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, that 7-footer.
No telling right now. Yeah, that's a lot of drag for that little reel right there.
What is this, a D2?
Yep.
Is it 18 pounds, 20?
I don't remember offhand to tell you the truth.
I know it's up there for a little reel.
Okay, you're yeah, you're over. You should be good. Yeah.
Hey, I'll give him credit. He sprayed my line for me.
Nico, get over here, Papa.
Nobody puts the D2 in the corner.
Reel in the slide, the short MXL. Reel it in fast. Hurry. Reel it in, son. Oh, he's already underneath. He's good. He already cleared it, son. Okay. You're gonna come up to the surface. You come up. Oh! Yeah. Damn. He ain't even got a chance to fight. Nice little black tip. On a G2. Nice little black. Oh yeah.
You redeemed yourself.
Yeah.
And here we go.
No offense.
Without breaking the rod?
Yeah, without breaking the rod.
You ain't got to put a little gator on you.
No, I don't.
Watch out, Nico. Dang it. She wants to go wherever she wants to go. We haven't got much choice.
See the ribbon fish?
Yep.
Yep, that's what. Watch out.
Ooh, nice.
Coming up around you.
Actually, I can probably clear with this one.
Let me get it.
No, I can't. Need the net. Small net.
There you go. That's a nice one.
It's definitely going home. Nice little black tip on the
Here, Nico, take the.
She does not want to go in there. Come on. No, I gotta catch one of those. Are you gonna keep it?
Yeah. Exactly what we want.
Grab the jaws. Barely hooked.
That go on that. Where that hook's at right there.
Right in the corner. Not even in the oh, that's good.
Okay, Nico, you're blocking the.
Yeah, it makes it look good. That's it.
Nice little female black kid right there. On the Tackle Industries. Our life's mini shark ribs right here.
Right, thank you.
Even mine wouldn't stop threshing.
There we go. Nice one for the grill right there. Awesome.